A high performance ser- a high performance ser- a high performance ser- a high performance ser-
Well, hello everyone and welcome on the stream. Well, hello everyone and welcome on the stream. So let's get started for the day and let's see what we can do today. And here we have an inversion fair value gap, and I want the market to go below still now. Although this inversion fair value gap has been utilized, I still think the market can go down, and we are far away from the opening price of the day, and I don't think the market is going to go all the way to the upside. I think the market will come down and take out the major sell side before it's turning to the bullish structure again, where the market will go towards the all-time highs. I am short with just one macro at a limit order. I have placed my entry where the stop loss should be, so let's see how it goes. Let's look at some other liquidities that we can figure out, because this one has been taken out. But I think there are more liquidities that the market can come and to take out. Like this one. And that is it. Now let's see what's the limit and SL. Bro, don't take this trade. It is just an experience based trade. It is not something you should take. Don't take it. Well, this inversion fair value gap is already utilized, but I think the market can go down, and that is why I have taken this trade. And I think these are the areas where the market will drop to. Maybe we can do this, but eventually I will look for another trade, a better one, a better entry criteria, because this one is already used up. And there we have another inversion fair value gap, and I think the market utilized this one and started to go down. Well, I could not have used that when I know there is another one here and that can be utilized as well, so I did not use that. But what I want to see right now is the market to either go up from this high or go down below this low, so we don't clutter like yesterday again, because if we get a good price action, then we will eventually get a trade. Let me delete this one. Well, I missed this trade as well. This could have been a good trade. we are coming baby all the way to the major sell side, that is 29 for 448. Once you take out, then we will be left with just one major sell side liquidity, that is far below, that is at 26,788. I doubt that we will come to take this out, but one thing I'm sure is that we will surely take this one out before turning bullish again. Let's look at daily time frame. There we have a market structure shift, break of structure on daily time frame. Where is that market structure? Break of structure. We don't have break of structure. DSL, CSDM, SMT, SSL. There we have break of structure. And once we come down and take this major sell side, but if we close below this low, then we will turn bearish again, and then it will be like matter of days when we take out this low. So we have to wait for that as well. Let's come back to our time frame. Well, the market is going towards the upside again. Well, we have our first presented fair value gap as well. It is not like I'm not open for longs, I'm open for longs as well. But for that, I want to see a body candle close up of this one. And the liquidities that we can target are obviously the first liquidity is this one, the nearest one. Then we got this liquidity. Let him mark all of them. So there we are, and we have objective for the market marked on both sides of the market, and now we need some kind of entry criteria to get into this trade. Hello Solomon, how are you? Welcome on the stream. This is our first presented fair value gap. We want to see a body candle close above this or a wick up, then come down, then we can take a short. I'm still looking for this major sell side to be taken out today or by the end of tomorrow. I still don't see market to going towards the bull side. not more than or above this liquidity, or maybe we will leave this liquidity today. By the way, which market do you trade, Solomon? Is it forex or futures? We are moving towards the entry criteria for this sort, and I'm kind of not interested right now because this one is already been utilized, and we also have 50% of opening range gap to cover. That we are far below the opening range gap. We have to have patience and wait. We could see the market run up all the way towards this 29,834 before turning the risk again. Well, the inversion for value gap seems to be working right now, but I'm not interested in this one. Not even a single bit. The thing is, we have taken out sell side liquidity, which was here, and I think the market can push all the way up towards the 50% of the opening range gap. So if there is any trade, that would be this one. Something like this. This could be a trade for the longs. Well, this trade is not taken, okay? It is just a probable trade. Well, I would be interested in... Let's see if we can get a market structure shift right now. If there was a market structure shift, then I would like to see the market come back at this inversion fair value gap. So we can take it an entry. Before that, I am not interested in any kind of sort. The best I can do is 1 micro. Sorry, yes, 1 micro. This is more than the risk I want to take. And I can go for this one. Now let's see if we can get an entry. Actually, we can target all this one all the way down here. Maybe do 1:10 RR. Yep, that is going to be the trade for the day. If we can get an entry. That would be fantastic. Now let's wait and see if we can get the entry. Are we coming back? I believe so. Night. Okay. Which pair is this? This is Nasdaq, bro. Nas 100. If you are trading forex, then you can type Nas 100 or US 100. They are the CFD derivatives of this NQ, which is Nasdaq. Here you can see same price action, right? Nas 100, which is CFD derivative of MNQ or Nasdaq futures. Are we coming back up or not? I don't think we are coming back up, but I don't want to get in this trade and right now. Come on. I don't think we are coming back up, so I'll delete this one, or maybe wait till this liquidity is taken out, and then we will look for another opportunity to get in. Lord, give us an entry. Well, I am going to use only one macro throughout this account, so it is going to be another hard challenge for me. We used to wait like for an hour just for an entry, so we will wait again. Sorry. What is the limit and SL? Mr. Clutch Gaming. So bro, You can see it on my chart. Like you take 8-4 AM candle, use that as a fair value gap, extend it, and sorry, we are not using that, we are using this one. Okay, so there we are, the limit and SL. You take 9:40 AM candle, use that fair value gap, extend it. Then if you are on the future side, the entry is 29,744 and exit is at the top. I hope you can understand. But I don't think we are going to get an entry because we have already moved down half of the price run that we are aiming for. So all we can do is wait and look for another opportunity if we can get one. Let's look at gold. Yesterday we had done an analysis on gold and it turned out to be quite accurate. So there we are. I told you to take an entry after this market structure shift and target this high. There was a guy asking for gold analysis, and there you would have this, and then again we got this trade and it went all the way up to the marked side liquidity, but this one was not utilized. Maybe market used this fair value gap, and right now we are back at this 100 FVG. Let's see at what time frame we had marked it. Well, this is the 15 minutes 100 FVG, and I told you that you take entry at the opening of it. Sorry, use that theory. Use the previous candle as the stop loss and M4. Maybe this one. Yep, this one. So if we look for an entry right now, then there we have a liquidity swipe, and which one is the market structure shift? Let's see. So we have market structure shift at this one, right? So we use this fair value gap for the entry in my Thunder FVG model, the model that I have built myself, and let's do this one for now, and let's see what we can. Well, we could have actually our entry would have been taken here. We use the previous candle low as the stop loss. That would be this one. Sorry if this is the fair value gap. we have to use this and stop loss, and then we aim for 1:5 RR, right? So this is the trade, the current trade on gold. We do have another 100 FVG, that is this one. So if the market returns back here, you could take previous candle low as stop loss and go for 1:5 RR. Let's see if it works out. We will see later. Now let's come back at NQ. Oh, set. We did get a pullback to the upside, but we did not get an entry. Maybe we could get another entry criteria. Maybe. But we would need a candle close below this with a body candle closer. Then we can think of using this fair value gap to enter into a short. But I am really not interested in that. I still want the market to come back all the way up here, take our entry, and then go down. Let's remove it because we don't want any confusions right now. So we are not going to come back up, that is for sure. And once these liquidities are taken out, there won't be any objective for the market to come back down, even if it goes up. So let's see if we can get this trade. This is going to be a big one. This liquidity is taken out as well, and we don't have any entry still now. But too much of time it is taking right now. Well, I'm back. Are we going to get a fill? Maybe the entry is quite near. Ah, we missed it again. taking out too much of time. Well, we have got an entry now, and now we want to see what will happen now. If we get towards the TP or get stopped out. Maybe move towards here. Maybe the market will come all the way up here. I hope I don't have to regret the choice of taking this IFBG instead of this one. I think we will get stopped out now. We did the wrong entry. Maybe we should have waited for this one. Now since we have already closed off the inversion fair value gap, I am more interested in going break even as soon as possible. I'm being kind of hesitant on closing this trade, but I know this is the right thing to do. If we go towards $20 in losses, I'm going to close this trade. So there we lost the trade. Maybe we should have stick it with this entry. Did I do the right stuff by closing the trade, or did I miss the trade? Maybe I did the right stuff. Why is the market so nasty for few days? Maybe I will close the stream in few minutes, but I'll have this trade on and see how it goes. Well, I'm closing the stream now and I'll update about this trade on the stream.